This is Word Chapter 2, Create Business Reports. Skill 1, Find and Replace Text. Open the student data file Word 02 underscore LEDs. From our computer lit homepage, we can go to Files. Here, and we're in LP3 Word. So I get it here, or I could get it here. LP3 student data files, parentheses, Word. And we're looking for Word 02 LEDs doc. I'll come over here, click these three dots, and download. There. And this. As it opens, enable editing. Save the file with your last name underscore your first name underscore Word 02 underscore LEDs. And computer lit. And I have an 01 Word chapter that I use for the last file. So I'll go here, open that, and keep that LED. I'm going to take that one off the end because I had downloaded this practice with it earlier. But I'll do Ward, my last name, underscore Tom, my first name, underscore Word 02 underscore LEDs. Save it. So I have that. My name shows up here. If the formatting marks are not displayed, display the formatting marks. So those we used earlier, these are our formatting marks. So we see all these paragraphs till this starts. A page break has been put in there. So we looked at that in the last lesson. On the first page of the document, the cover page, replace the word title with LED lights. So the title is LED lights. So I'll select that. And there's a subtitle, a museum exhibit case study. And the author will be me. And this is where you would be adding your name. Author affiliation, Aspen Falls City Government. Click to place the insertion point to the left of the first line of the title, and then compare your screen with figure 2. Okay, so now we want to look for the navigation pane. So we're going to go to View, and then under the Show here, navigation pane. It opens this up, and then we're going to type in L period, E period, D period. L period, E period, D period. And we'll click on results. And we had 13 results, and they're showing up. They're highlighted in here. Or I come down here and select it here. Then it highlights that. That's what I could have done faster. That's what it is. I click here, I click any one of these, and it brings me to that in the document. I'm clicking over here to the left of these found results, and it shows me where it is in the document. So I want to replace those, take out the period between each of those letters. So I want to replace L period, E period, D period with just LED. So to do that, I could do this drop down here, and it has this replace. And I could choose that. And it opens up this find and replace dialog box. So find what? So it knows because I searched for it, the L period, E period, D period. I want to replace it with LED. This would have been here. This would not show up on yours. I had practiced earlier, so that was left over. But you just type in LED. So it's going to find what, replace it. So first we'll find one of them. You replace, and it replace that. And find next. There. And now I'll hit replace all. So you could do it individually, or you could do them all at one time. So I'll hit replace all. And all done, 12 replacements. So remember, we started with 13. I did the one manually, and then I hit replace all, and now we've cleared out all of those formerly were L period, E period, D period to LED. Hit OK. And then I can close this for now. And then that's it. Finish it. Skill 1. So I'll save this. I have it saved in my folder, so I can just click this save icon up here, or Control S on the keyboard.